Okay, so try and start from the beginning. Go to plugins, start deactivating things that we don't need. Everything was missing a cron job, which just means that it's kind of saying, hey, you should do these things. And if it's not doing these things and the cron job gets messed up, then that's when you got to start hunting for a solution to the problem. And I deactivated this, deactivated this. These are migration plugins that I think I use to bring your site from somewhere. And anyway, I don't think you need those anymore because GoDaddy does all your backups and staging and everything. CodeBlocks, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's something from GoDaddy. So whatever. Elementor, that's your themer. I've got a lifetime license, so we can just, you should never have a problem there. Elementor. This premium add-ons is on my license too. But again, that's a lifetime, so there shouldn't be problems there. Um, Security optimizer. This is by SiteGround, and I removed a couple other SiteGround stuff. I don't think we need this, so since I'm here, I'll just deactivate it. This is where you just hope it doesn't blow anything up, but it shouldn't, because those are Squarespace specific security solutions, and I don't even think those would work on your website. So a quick test would be, let's see if that thing was making my site secure, which it shouldn't be. GoDaddy should be doing that, and your site is still secure. So I don't think that's a problem. So sometimes I'll just turn things off that I'm not sure about. Wait a few weeks, a month, or whatever, everything's been fine. Then just same with these things. I would just delete them eventually. You can always add them back if you need to. So let's see here. Nope, not your website. This I don't get. Your site is running outdated version of PHP 8.0.334. Your site says that you're running 8, and when I try and change this to something, where it's got you at 8.3. So I don't know what the miscommunication is there. Should be fine. Elementor does these a different ways. It turns them into containers. You can choose to do it or not do it. So clicking here, I mean, basically what that would do is, so you just click this section, you hit convert, and then so it has duplicated your content. It's turned this into containers now, and so you can just delete your section there. And so now this is all in containers, and it should have the same layout. Sometimes it doesn't, and it mucks things up, but these should load faster. And I can just leave this one as is. I mean, it's not going to hurt anything. You can just sit here and flip through. Just make sure everything looks right. It does. So your paginator was off, and I don't know if that was, I don't know why that was, but I flipped it on, and that's when I was like, oh, I should make a video. So it was set to none for whatever reason. So the quick fix on where's my paginator is you turn it on. So we've got numbers, next previous, all kinds of options. Infinite scroll I've used sometimes, but sometimes it just lags a little bit, or I guess the thing I don't like about infinite scroll is that you just don't know there's more until it shows up more. It's loading pretty quickly, but being that you've only got 17, what's that, 6 and 12, 13, I might just show them all. So if you wanted to do that, I'd go up here to query and just say query, the layout, post per page, just hit like 99. Now it would show them all. So like, why make them load? But I'm gonna set that back to 6. Your paginator real quick. Let's get it off infinite scroll. We'll just do numbers. And then I would come in here and style and just be like, all right, make the numbers. Whoa, like an H2. Oh, this is for the posts. We want pagination. So let's make this, I don't know, H3. Yeah, that's a little bit bigger. Maybe buttons. And then normal color, which is the active color. I'd probably make this. I really want that thing to be thicker. Let's see what this looks like. That's not too bad. I don't know. You can mess around with it. Yeah, it's turning orange. So I don't know. Oh, there you go. For active, I would just make it gray. And normal, we can make whatever, primary. So that's how you would style those. Oops. Let me refresh that. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Go to 2. End up on 3. So these, I would just say click to run it. Click to run it. Get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. And I guess the only other thing I would do is, yeah, I don't know, is start a chat with GoDaddy and ask him what my what PHP am I running. I don't know if it's in their site health. Elementor might have it. Search for PHP. There we go. Oh yeah, it's on this 30.0. So I'll skip all this, but this is yeah, I'll just skip all this. Oops. Okay, back to this again really quick. So for whatever reason, this was saying 8.3, and when I try and change it, it was like, "Hey, I'm set at 3.8. What do you want?" And so I switched it to 8.2, and then it showed me 8.2. Then I switched it to 8.3, and then now it's showing 8.3. I did the same thing over on production. So let's see if everything's destroyed. It's not. That's good. So let's see if we still have that error. Actually, let's check this. So PHP version was 8.0.30. Let's just flush it. .3, that's what we want. That might resolve our cron job errors. Dashboard. And we no longer have that error on, hey, your PHP is not out of date. Now, why GoDaddy wasn't updating your PHP automatically to the recommended level, I can't tell you. But that is that.